So this morning I'm going to be making an omelet with these ingredients. I have some raw shrimp as well as a 3-pepper onion blend. And over here I'll be using my organic extra virgin olive oil. I have my 2 eggs, the bowl I'll be mixing in here, and I'm going to quickly pan over to the stove where I have my oil heating. So this is my small little saucepan or frying pan that I use that I'm going to be using to saute the vegetables and the shrimp before I put in the egg mixture for the omelet. I usually just leave the lid on it so that it can just capture as much heat and heat up as possible. So the shrimp and the 3-pepper and onion blend has been added to the saucepan. I'm going to cover it up and allow that to cook. And then I'm going to start with the eggs. So now I have cracked my 2 eggs, and I'm going to be adding in some Tony Chachere's original Creole seasoning. It's one of my favorites. I like it because it has a lot of different spices contained within. So if you could see here, let me get to the ingredients. Here we go. It has salt, red pepper, black pepper, chili powder, chili pepper, spices, salt, garlic powder, dehydrated garlic, and it makes for a really nice flavor to a lot of my dishes. So I have mixed my eggs, and I'm going to be waiting a few more minutes and letting my shrimp and my 3-pepper onion blend cook thoroughly before I add my eggs to the mixture. So here our ingredients have cooked. Again, this is raw shrimp and a 3-pepper and onion blend, and now I'm going to pour in my egg mixture. I'll put my lid back on and let it cook. I am also going to prepare some toast. I have 2 pieces of honey wheat bread, and then I have my Welch's grape jelly. I'm going to put it over here into my toaster oven, and I'll be back with you when it's all in the oven. So now we're back in the oven, putting our bread in there to be toasted, and that should take a few moments. And we're going to go over here and check on our egg mixture, and it looks to be cooking up quite nicely. In a few moments I'll check it and see if it's cooked thoroughly enough, and I'll kind of flip it, and then we'll eat our breakfast for the morning. And there you have it. We have an omelet and some toast with grape jelly. Super yum. One of my favorite breakfasts. Thanks for coming along with me on what I eat for breakfast. Talk to you soon. Take care.